You know shit about being car sick.
I know everything about everything there is to know, Mama. Especially about being car sick.
That's one way to do it, bud. Good job jumping.
So it's been colder than a well digger this week. Everything's been going wrong. The top secret stuff's been going on, stuff we can't share. So I ain't been in vigicording mode. But my buddy, Jason Works a Lot's come in, and ever since he's come in, Brutus has been broke down.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Brutus is, I was bragging on Brutus and how tough American bunchers could be.
Yeah, he's a little girl buncher, I'll tell you what. I wouldn't even prune my garden with this.
And all he done is replace hoses. But I'm doing better. I'm down to 4 hoses a day.
Yeah.
So that's going better, but I wouldn't say everything's going too well. So I managed to, but luckily I got it on this side, so I can confiscate that square, whatever they got going on there, the square doodad there, old buddy, to put us a pin in the morning. And that's how she's been going, bud. It's been a crazy week this week. I know I missed a few vidges this week. It's daggone been crazy around here. Yeah, we've had people from the top secret stuff come in, and they've been here half the week and had a late night there. And then Jason Works a Lot. He's been around. We've been having a blast hanging out together, but I just finally got myself wore down. Brutus kept breaking. I told Mama, I said, I'm just going to sleep in one day. I just need to catch up on sleep for a minute. So I caught up on sleep. I come down here this morning. Jason made me finish putting this hoses on here. So the track hoses, the daggone wheel motor hoses down here blowed. They're too old. I didn't do the other side, I should have, but I ain't got time to take this thing down. Everything we got lays wrong. All the ground lays bad. So I gotta get Brutus going, or else we're just gonna monkey fart around and not get no production mood. So, but the other day, when I slid off the hill, Stevie took some pictures, so I don't know if he's sharing them or not, but I was in one heck of a predicament, and I got pissed. And I got mad, and I just gave her all she's got, Captain, and I broke this pin in here. So I drove halfway down here this morning, cause we didn't have a babysitter, or school wasn't in. The school's our babysitter right now, I guess. School wasn't in, so made the kids breakfast this morning since I got a little sleep. And then, oh gosh, so playing Mr. Dad, I forgot about the daggone pin instead of playing Logger Way. So now he ain't got the pin. I stopped at a daggone steel place. And guess what the steel place? So I'm driving in town, stop at this daggone steel place with Blackie in Jackson. I had to get the pump. Jason, if you're watching this, got the pump. You know, put the pump on. It was a Feel Right brand from Tractor Store. Got the solenoid to run the starter, with my starter solenoid. Not the starter solenoid on the starter, but the starter solenoid before the starter solenoid was bad. Is bad. When it gets cold, it won't start. You got to start it with screwdrivers. So I got that. I ain't tightened that bolt up either. So anyways, I stopped in there. I said, hey, you got a pin? 2.5 inch diameter. I think 22 inches long. Told old boy. This is what he tells me. Let me take your number. We're going on lunch. In an hour, I'll call you back. And of course, I know I'm being passive aggressive right now. That ain't the way to be. But so I was like, all right. Okay. Well, I'll sit out here in the parking lot and wait. He didn't tell me it was going to be an hour. So I'll sit out here in the parking lot and wait, I guess. He goes, oh no, we're gonna be gone an hour. I'm like, dude, come on. What? A pen. Just go find a pen. Put a goddamn pen on. Jeez, man. So I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't care what kind of company you work for. And I don't like to, and I ain't gonna say no names or nothing. And they don't know who they are. I don't know who they are, you know, all this mess. But my God, it don't matter what. Going on dinner? Come on, please. I don't know when I've had a set dinner time, boys. I mean, if you're not trying to get ahead in life, you don't have to be that bright. Hell, I ain't that bright. But if you're trying to get ahead, you gotta be flexible and put out effort to get ahead. And if you're there just sucking up oxygen, not trying to get ahead, whatever. All right, toodaloo. Grab the Champs Gavarna 572 XP, which stands for Extra Professional. And we're gonna cut us a tailgate for Whitey out of hickory, 4x4, 4/4 by 12 inches. Nothing but sawdust. Just right. It'll fit snug in there. Champs Gavarna, Roger. Nobody can buy that yet. Not even President Trump. That's how important that saw is. So 51 3/8 and 51. Okay. Pull out and up. There. Yeah. Oh yeah, right. Oh, hang on. Right on the line, take your time. You get an angle on it? You cut it right on that line. Great. I'll get it. I gotta put an angle on it. Yeah. Well, I done yard, you gotta get the glass. Alright, we got it. Alright, now 53 3/8 and 1 inch. I mean 51 3/8 and 1 inch. One even on the other. This long in 50 plus 51 3/8. This end is 51. Oh, stupid. Cut the ice off my truck. Guaranteed to fit? Is this the one that's gonna fit? Well, I'm gonna tie it short. Raji! Again, you're gonna have to go down here and around. Alright, I'm gonna push her out. Go, Guinea, go. That ain't happening, is it, Guinea? Go, Whitey, go! Oh, it is slick. It just thawing out, just now started thawing out. Like an hour ago. So it's still frozen underneath the layer of slime. You better go faster than that, Kenny. There you go, now pour it on. There you go. Now she acts like she's gonna do her. Find her power, boys. Look at that. She's gonna run right into Roger. Your Guinea's crazy. You know that, right? These are big trees, ain't they, Jack Jack? Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Cocker can.
That great truck there. He needs to build up while he comes out here, but he's gonna leave the cutter back there.
Johnny's gonna save you room on the log trailer for your head, Stevie.
Well, you want to take it in or we'll leave it out here?
Go, baby, go. It's trying to fall out in the field. I don't know. Suit yourself.
I don't know what's wrong with it, but I know it ain't running right.
No, use a little common sense.